In the vast expanse of the universe, where time and space intertwine in a cosmic dance, there exists a phenomenon so powerful and enigmatic that it bends the very fabric of reality: the black hole. Among the countless celestial bodies, one black hole in particular stood out not just for its size, but for its voracious appetite. This black hole, known to astronomers as Sagittarius A, resided at the heart of the Milky Way galaxy, a quiet giant that had long been a source of fascination and fear for those who dared to study the cosmos. As the eons passed, Sagittarius A began to stir. It was not merely a passive entity lurking in the shadows of the galactic core. It was a dynamic force, silently consuming the matter that drifted too close to its gravitational embrace. Stars, gas and dust fell into its maw, creating a swirling accretion disk that radiated energy across the electromagnetic spectrum. As this material spiraled inward, it became heated to unimaginable temperatures, emitting X-rays that pierced the darkness of space and illuminated the surrounding region. The galaxy, with its sprawling arms of stars and clusters, felt the subtle tremors of Sagittarius A's hunger. It was a delicate balance, a cosmic equilibrium that had persisted for billions of years. But as the black hole continued to feast, it began to disrupt this balance. The gravitational pull of Sagittarius A reached far beyond its immediate vicinity, influencing the orbits of nearby stars and gas clouds. Some stars, once stable in their paths, found themselves drawn inexorably toward the black hole, their fates sealed as they crossed the event horizon, the point of no return. As the black hole consumed more matter, it began to grow. Each star that spiraled into its depths added to its mass, and with that mass came an increase in gravitational pull. This feedback loop created a chain reaction throughout the galaxy. Stars that had once danced gracefully in their orbits began to collide and merge, their remnants feeding the ever-hungry black hole. The galaxy itself began to change, its structure reshaped by the relentless gravitational force at its core. The implications of this cosmic feast were profound. As Sagittarius A grew, it emitted jets of high-energy particles that shot out into the surrounding space. These jets, moving at nearly the speed of light, created immense shockwaves that rippled through the interstellar medium. They compressed gas clouds, triggering the birth of new stars, even as they obliterated others. This paradox of destruction and creation played out on a grand scale, a testament to the dual nature of the universe, where chaos and order coexist in a delicate dance. As the black hole continued its relentless consumption, the dynamics of the galaxy shifted dramatically. The once vibrant regions, filled with luminous stars and nebulae, began to dim. The stellar nurseries that had birthed countless stars now lay in silence, their gas and dust siphoned away by the insatiable appetite of Sagittarius A. The galaxy, once a thriving metropolis of stars, began to resemble a ghost town, its inhabitants slowly vanishing into the depths of the black hole. Yet even amidst this cosmic tragedy, there were those who watched with awe and trepidation. Astronomers on distant worlds peered through their telescopes, observing the phenomena unfolding in their own galactic backyard. They marveled at the beauty of the accretion disk, the colors and patterns swirling like a cosmic painting. They documented the X-ray emissions, the bright flares that signaled the death throes of stars as they succumbed to the black hole's pull. In their quest for knowledge, they speculated about the fate of their own galaxy. Would they, too, be consumed by the black hole at their center? Would their stars, planets, and perhaps even their civilizations fall victim to the same fate as those they observed? Questions of existence and purpose loomed large in the minds of these cosmic observers. They pondered the nature of time itself, wondering if the black hole represented an end or a new beginning. As Sagittarius A continued its feast, it became a beacon of both destruction and creation. The jets it emitted collided with surrounding gas clouds, igniting stellar explosions that gave birth to new stars. The remnants of these explosions scattered across the galaxy, seeding the cosmos with the building blocks of life. In a way, the black hole was not just a devourer, but a catalyst for new beginnings. A reminder that from destruction comes creation. The galaxy's inhabitants, too, began to adapt to their changing environment. Some species evolved in response to the increasing radiation from the black hole, developing protective mechanisms that allowed them to thrive in the harsh conditions. Others, more sensitive to the cosmic changes, faced extinction. It was a natural selection on a galactic scale, a testament to the resilience of life in the face of overwhelming odds. As the centuries turned into millennia, the black hole's influence extended beyond the immediate vicinity of the Milky Way. Its gravitational waves rippled through space, affecting neighboring galaxies and altering their trajectories. The cosmic web, the vast network of galaxies interconnected by gravity, began to shift. Some galaxies found themselves drawn closer to the Milky Way, while others were flung into the void, their fates forever altered by the black hole's insatiable hunger. In this cosmic tapestry, the black hole became a focal point, a nexus of activity that attracted attention from across the universe. Other celestial bodies, from rogue planets to wandering stars, found themselves caught in its gravitational web, drawn inexorably toward the heart of the galaxy. Some would be consumed, while others would pass by, forever altered by their encounter with the black hole. The narrative of Sagittarius A was not just one of consumption, it was a story of transformation. As it devoured stars and gas, it reshaped the very structure of the galaxy. The once familiar constellations began to change, their stars rearranged by the relentless forces at play. New patterns emerged, and with them, new stories. The galaxy was alive, a dynamic entity that evolved in response to the cosmic forces that governed it. As the black hole continued its feast, it also became a subject of fascination for those who sought to understand the universe. Theoretical physicists and cosmologists delved into the mysteries of black holes, probing the limits of our understanding of gravity, time, and space. They formulated theories about the nature of singularities, the point at which the laws of physics, as we know them, break down. They speculated about the possibility of wormholes, shortcuts through the fabric of space-time, and pondered the implications of multiverses, where countless realities coexist. The implications of Sagittarius A's consumption extended far beyond the Milky Way. As it grew, it began to influence the larger cosmic structure, affecting the distribution of dark matter and the formation of galaxy clusters. The black hole was a player in the grand game of cosmic evolution, a force that shaped the destiny of countless galaxies. In this narrative of cosmic consumption, the black hole also became a symbol of the unknown. It represented the limits of human understanding, the mysteries that lay beyond our grasp. As astronomers peered into the depths of space, they were reminded of their own insignificance in the grand scheme of the universe. The black hole was a reminder that, despite our advances in technology and knowledge, there were still forces at play that eluded our comprehension. As the black hole continued to consume, it also served as a catalyst for reflection. For those who gazed upon the night sky, it became a source of inspiration and wonder. The stars that had once seemed so distant and untouchable now felt like neighbors, their fates intertwined with that of the black hole. The cosmos was no longer a cold, indifferent expanse. It was a living, breathing entity, shaped by the interplay of forces both seen and unseen. In the end, the narrative of Sagittarius A was not just one of consumption and destruction. It was a story of connection. The black hole, with its insatiable appetite, served as a reminder of the intricate web of life that existed throughout the universe. Every star consumed, every gas cloud drawn into its depths was a part of a larger narrative, a tale that spanned the ages and transcended the boundaries of time and space. As the black hole continued its cosmic feast, the galaxy transformed around it. New stars were born, old ones faded away, and the dance of creation and destruction played out in an endless cycle. The universe, with all its mysteries and wonders, continued to unfold, a testament to the beauty and complexity of existence. And in the heart of it all, Sagittarius A remained, a symbol of the cosmic forces that shape our reality. A reminder that even in the darkest corners of the universe, there is always the potential for new beginnings.